Well, hello, William. Williams, Philippines. It is Monday, January 19th, 2026, and it is 7:04 p.m. I woke up about 7:30 this morning. 7, somewhere in there. Considering I got almost, what, 8 hours of sleep? 7.5 at least. I still want to roll back over and go back to bed. Apparently, my body is telling me you're wore out this weekend running through all those people. Uh, Crowds like that are definitely a drain on me. And apparently, well, definitely over 5 million. I've heard as much as 5.4 million, 5.2 million from another. And so anything over five is pretty much, yeah. You know what? Adding 5 million people to any place, yeah, that's crowded, very crowded. Traffic was on the crazy side. I do have some videos I will try to get out of this. I didn't get around to it today. By the time I got up, went and got breakfast, late, and ended up trying to catch up with Kuya. Uh, that didn't work out, but I still got good hot chocolate and cheesecake. I'm suffering. Oh, that's right, I'm not. uh, yeah, the dessert factory. Good hot chocolate, thick hot chocolate. I was very happy with their hot chocolate. Uh, and the cheesecake was good too. But yeah, we'll try to get together again later. Uh, Give it another one. I should have known he's trying to move today, from what I was gathering, uh, going from Lapu Lapu to ID Park. Moving day is never a good day to try and stop and do something on the side. But hey, it is what it is. Uh, let's see. Went over and tried to get a look at one house for rent. I'll try that again tomorrow. That didn't work out. Uh, by the time I got there and got done talking, I was already this weekend caught up. And so I headed back to here. And on the way back to here, I decided to try to take a left turn where I'm not supposed to take a left turn. And the officers are going, hey, hey, come on, park. Yeah. Uh, Life goes on. Thank you, officers. If you ever see this, uh, you're doing your job. I appreciate it. And yes, tried to make a left through a wall of traffic and was said no. Ended up going down, making a U-turn. Better. Life goes on. more more things to have to learn and deal with is all the routes and all the signs. I don't know them all. I know some routes otherwise, but I don't know all the signs on them either. Uh, Still learning where the signs are for what you can and can't do. Yeah, considering I haven't been at this for a full what for Wednesday will be a full 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm still trying to figure out where all the you can't do this, you can't do that. I've figured out where most of the turnaround signs are, where you can make a U-turn, or where jeepneys can't and you can, or where jeepneys can and you're not supposed to, and but a lot of people do anyway. Yeah, I paid attention to those because they're right there, and they, yeah. This one was on the other side of the road and not in the middle of it, and it was dark already, so I missed it. I admit it. Anyway, got back here and swung by, picked up my laundry, tried to go by and get some fried chicken dinner, but they were already closing down, and I did manage to get some lumpia and something I needed very, very, very much. I've been bitten for the first time since I got here by a mosquito. So I picked up some garlic. I haven't had garlic in like several days. And apparently the mosquitoes figured it out and reminded me why I like garlic. Uh, yeah. And one of my friends said, "Garlic's hot." No, garlic's good. Uh, the more garlic you eat, the less monsters try to get you. Because, hey, they always say, keep the garlic handy and the vampires don't come near you. Vampires, bloodsuckers, mosquitoes. Might be a reason they leave me alone. Usually I have enough garlic in my system that nothing wants to take a bite of me. So picked up 3 pieces of garlic and ate them. Yeah, right there, straight. Drank some water to wash them down. I figure eating 3 of them today will probably make me safe for tomorrow. Boost my immunity to mosquitoes. Just saying. What's tomorrow? Since I got my laundry tonight, I'm quite honestly tempted to just stay in bed. Uh, I'm tired. It's been a long day, following a long weekend. Yeah. And getting more sleep would be a good thing. Trying not to yawn, but I am. It is what it is. Uh, and did my math on my doings. All told, for both days, it was like 1910 and 1919 for my expenses on pesos. So less than 2,000 pesos for both days, for each day. And with the way that works out, I spent about, I think it was $65, 66 something. Yeah, $66. So yeah, and I had a wonderful time. And some expensive parking was involved in that too. So uh, a very good day, and I bought shirts in that mix. So yeah, a few of them will be seen over the next few. Uh, I'm sorry. No. I've worn this one already, but the other ones are in the laundry, and some more of them are in the laundry. I had more than an acceptable load. I'm already halfway to my next load. Uh, yeah, out and about, running around, getting all hot and sweaty. I go through shirts real quick. socks too. It's yeah. And my legs lately, me out sweating, riding around, and riding. I'm getting a lot of dust and dirt on them, so yeah, I'm having to wash that off every night when I get home, which is a good thing anyway. Don't need to crawl into bed with all that gunk on you. Because I can tell you, some of the gunk that I know is in that dust that's on the roads is not something you want to, yeah, crawl into bed with. Just saying, honest. Uh, yeah, cat, dog, human feces. Uh, yeah. Plus any birds or bats or rats. And those are all around here, mice too. So, uh, yeah, the dust off the road might not be the best thing to have on you. Uh, but yeah, uh, having to get out and enjoy Cinelogue, I actually enjoyed it, even though it was very much very crowded and a lot more people than I'm used to. Uh, I saw some aerials of where the area I was in, and I can tell you, I didn't know it was that crowded. And they're saying 5 million people were down in that area. 5 million plus people were down in that area. I was one of them on 2 days, uh, most of the day, and passed through on two others. The other ones, I did manage to find a good place to park and was able to park there. So, yay. Expensive parking, but good place to park. Uh, Although coming out of the parking spot, there are a couple potholes you really need to be warned about. Yeah. So now that I know they're there, apparently I parked a little further down on the run last time and I didn't get it. This time I was about one section closer and got it. Yeah. But hey, around here, I can tell you there are, and I do mean a lot of potholes, and potholes all over the place. I ran into one today. Car moved out of the way and it was there. And it was wider than I could go around. And I realized that. And so just went through it. Oh, mercy. Uh, yeah. I now know why the car jumped out of the way. I wish I'd have followed the car. But it clipped the corner of it too. So it jumped around. I don't know if I would have done much better trying to follow the car. But I know where it's at now. Yeah, start making maps of potholes, monsters that you need to be aware of. Uh, but hey, the potholes are everywhere. It's not just the Philippines. Uh, yeah, there were some in Texas that I worried about losing my car in. Well, it's a little uh, Kia Rio, so yeah. So when the potholes is almost as big as your car, yeah, I've hit a few of those in Texas, so I can't say that Philippines is worse. Uh, and quite honestly, the Philippines probably has more mileage in roads. Some of them are questionable as to the quality of road. Uh, some of them are probably more mountain goat trail. But we have some of those in Texas too, so it is what it is. Anyway, it has been a very long day. I enjoyed it. Uh, Even the missed parts and the hit parts. Yeah, wish I hadn't hit the potholes. But hey, everywhere, all around the world, there's potholes. I've never heard of a place that doesn't have potholes. Yeah, just saying. Anyway, this is William Williams, Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. You do you. It is, again, your choice to decide what you do with you. Uh, I'm going to call it, and I haven't decided what's going to be tomorrow. Yesterday and the day before were blast. I'm going to figure it out. Anyway, more food, more friends, more family, again, more food. Later, blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish. Fish.